Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you this simple video. It is about on how you could go ahead and log out from Facebook. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So whether you are using your Android or your Apple device, the same methods applies for this video, so you could go ahead and follow along whatever device that you are using. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up our Facebook application right here. And inside, you could just go ahead and proceed by clicking on your profile icon. It's right below, or it's right beside the notification tab that we have right here. As you could go ahead and see, we have your profile icon. So just go ahead and click on that profile icon and it will take you to this another menu. You can just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the logout button. So it's this one right here. So you want to go ahead and click on that button. You need to go ahead and confirm that you want to log out of your account. So just go ahead and click on logout. It will load in a couple of seconds. And there you go, you will be able to log out of your account here on Facebook. If you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.